Hi guys, in this video we're gonna talk about rotation, and rotation means turning around a center. And guys, center can be changed. For example, it can be center, for example origin, or it can be any point, okay? But for the rotation, we should know center and the position, for example, about clockwise or anti-clockwise. Look at here. Always guys, if it's your center and that side should be clockwise, look at here, let me just show you like that. Okay, this position is clockwise, but that one, okay, how can I draw? Like this. So it is look like, okay, so that position is anti-clockwise, okay, anti-clockwise and clockwise. But guys, normally on the exercise we just see this type of question: rotate 90 degree of clockwise or anti-clockwise. So how can we rotate our figure 90 degree or of 90 degree of 180 or 270? Guys, firstly, if you know the coordinate, for example, coordinate A, B, or I don't know, C, maybe it's triangle or quadrilaterals, there is no difference if you rotate of 90 degree. So look at here, I just write if the coordinate of point is x, y, then after rotation 90 degree, it's gonna be, look at here, they should change the place. Look at here, y should be x, x should be y. They should change their place, and also the first one should be minus, okay? So negative y and x. If the point is 2 and 3, after rotating 90 degree, it becomes, look at it, first they change the place 3, 2, and then the first one should be negative, okay? Like that. But for the rotation 180 degree on a coordinate axis, again, I just sample for the origin, okay? If the center is origin, and I take 1 point x, y, and after rotating 180, they should stay on the same place, but the sign should be changed. Look at here, if it's negative, positive should be negative, again, or if it's negative, it should be positive. Let us take 2 points, for example, 2, 4, both of them is positive. From rotation, after rotation 180, it becomes to negative 2 and negative 4. Or if the point is negative 5 and 2, after rotating 180 degree, it becomes to negative, and negative is positive, but negative 2, okay? Because negative 5, again, we have negative here, so negative makes positive. Another one should be negative, okay? We should change the sign. Negative should be positive, positive should be negative. But for rotation 270 degrees, or guys, why I write the negative 90 degree? Because in some question, problems or questions, there's no difference. They just give us like that, rotate of negative 90 degree. And here, students just confuse the meaning of negative. What's a negative degree? Guys, negative 90 means 270. You can ask me why? Because 270 degrees equal to 180 plus 90 degree. So it is complete to 90. That's why if you see negative 90 means 270. If we add 270, it is complete to 180. That's why, okay? So negative 90 and 270 are the same thing. So of rotation, if you have a point, you should rotate like that, change the place and also change the sign of both coordinate, okay? That's it. Guys, this information only about the coordinates, but I will give you some example in our next video, okay? So take a note, don't forget to for taking a note, because it is so important, right, to learn by heart for that part. For example, for 90 degree, how can we change our coordinate, okay? So because without this you can't draw rotation, okay? For example, you have a figure and you want to rotate of 90 or of 180 degree on a coordinate axis, so you should know that. How can you do it? That's why I try to learn that part, okay? These three parts. Thank you for watching, guys.